Ready to solve some riddles? Let's begin. Number 1. What has to be broken before you can use it? The answer is an egg. Number 2. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? The answer is a candle. Number 3. What has hands but can't clap? The answer is a clock. Number 4. What can travel around the world while staying in the same corner? The answer is a stamp. Number 5. The more of me you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is footsteps. Number 6. What has a tail and a head, but no body? The answer is a coin. Number 7. What has an eye but can't see? The answer is a needle. Number 8. What has many teeth but can't bite? The answer is a comb. Medium level. Let's step it up. Number 9. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? The answer is a teapot.
Number 10. What has cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water? Think big picture. The answer is a map. Number 11. What gets wetter as it dries? The answer is a towel. Number 12. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? Listen closely. The answer is an echo. Number 13. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The answer is the letter M. Number 14. What has a neck but no head? The answer is a bottle. Number 15. What has keys but can't open locks? The answer is a piano. Number 16.
What can you catch but not throw? The answer is a cold. Hard level. Now it gets interesting. Number 17. What has no beginning, no end, and no middle, and tastes great? The answer is a donut. Number 18. What kind of cup doesn't hold water? The answer is a cupcake. Number 19. What has ears but cannot hear? The answer is corn.
Number 20. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? The answer is a carrot. Number 21. The more you take away, the bigger I get. What am I? Think carefully. The answer is a hole. Number 22. I'm full of keys, but can't open any doors. What am I? The answer is a keyboard. Number 23. What has 4 wheels and flies? Not what you think. The answer is a garbage truck. Number 24. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? The answer is a bank. Extreme level. Only the best remain. Number 25. I'm not alive, but I grow. I need air, but have no lungs. What am I? The answer is fire. Number 26. I'm taken from a mine and shut in a wooden case. What am I? The answer is pencil lead. Number 27. I am an odd number. Take away 1 letter and I become even. What am I? The answer is 7. Number 28. The person who makes me sells me. The buyer never uses me. What am I? The answer is a coffin. Number 29. What comes down but never goes up? Weather clue? The answer is rain. Number 30. What has a heart that doesn't beat? Final one. The answer is an artichoke. And that's part 10 of the Riddles Challenge. How many did you get right? Did you conquer the extreme level?
or did it defeat you? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends.